Hi future makers and hackers, welcome to my DIY life hacks video series. This first video is an easy way to make things move using electricity. Woo! So first of all, you need a power source that provides electricity or electrical power. And so an easy way to do that is a battery. This is a 9-volt. And batteries convert chemical energy into electrical energy. So there's different types of batteries. You're probably most familiar with AA's. These AA's are in what's known as a battery case or battery box, and the two leads are black for negative and red for positive. So that's just convention, so that, for example, when you open up your car, you're like, oh crap, my battery is dead, I need to jump start it. You know that red goes to red and black goes to black. Red means positive, black means negative, so your car doesn't explode, you're all safe and good. So that's convention. You can also make your own battery box, and I actually stole this idea from my lovely friend Barb. It's a AA that has stranded wire. I use green because that's the only stranded wire I had lying around. And the two ends are just super glued to the two sides of the battery. And I used cardboard to shove it so I wouldn't burn my hand. This actually works really well, but make sure you use stranded wire because it conducts electricity much better than solid core wire. Cool. So now we have a source of electrical power, and we need a way to convert the electrical power into mechanical energy or kinetic energy, energy of movement. So that's what a motor does. A motor typically will spin, and you can get motors from eBay, Radio Shack, Fry's Electronics. You can even get super cheap toothbrushes at the dollar store that have a little motor on the inside. This one's already been harvested, as you can tell. But it'll be something that looks like this, and it'll have a little wobbly thing on the end. You can pull that off and just use the rotational motion of the motor, or you can keep the wobbly thing on and make something that scoots around and wobbles and does cute little fun things like brush bots or bristle bots. So now we have our motor and we have a battery. So let's make this little duct tape flag spin. So you can use alligator clips, so aptly named because I have a little alligator on the end of them, and then you use that to connect it to your battery, like so. I'm going to use the 12-volt because it's a little more fun. I don't know what's going to happen though, so bear with me. Uh-oh. Okay, so it spun really fast, so fast that the flag fell off. So for something silly and fun like this, I'd probably be better to use the AA's, but 12 volts more fun, right? So now you know how to make things move. You can come up with all different kinds of gears and mechanisms to convert the rotational motion into up-down motion, forwards and backwards. The easiest way to use it is as like for wheels and things like that. You don't have to do much in order to convert the rotational motion. So let me know if you have any questions, and happy hacking.